everybody, it's Umar Racing. In this video, quickly, I'll be installing a JBR license plate mount. The reason why I'm doing it is that I want to be able to take off the license plate at the track. The bracket is bolted onto the bumper, so I want to be able to just take it off. There's like maybe like an inch and a half of space that it takes on top of the intercooler. Plus with the license plate itself, it's about almost 2 inches. Anything I can get, any advantage, I'll take it. I already have to use a tow hook, so I'm just gonna replace it. And on track, I'll just take it off and just put the tow hook itself. I could take this off on track, but the plastic bumper, every time I take it off, it's gonna get looser and looser and looser, so I don't wanna risk that. Anyways, let's get into installing. So I forgot to press record while I was installing this. So the actual part that goes into the tow hook is a 22 millimeter. Don't exceed about 45 foot-pounds of torque to tighten the tow hook itself. And then the bolt here itself is around 13 foot-pounds. Very light. As soon as you hear the torque wrench, stays in place, doesn't move. Pretty good quality. And I feel like if I need to take it off on track, I could get one of those open-ended 22 mil wrenches and just use one of those. I took off the stock license plate. Now I'm taking off the So these are all the bolts you need to be able to install the license plate on the actual JBR mount. Let's do that. There's going to be washers on both sides. This will make it a little bit harder to take out when I'm on track. I hope to be able to get a long, maybe open-ended 22 mil wrench and just kind of rotate this and take it off. We'll see how much space that is and make sure that as it's rotating, it's not damaging the bumper or touching it. So yeah, let's install this now. It's a 10 mil, I think, and I got like a screwdriver tip kind of thing that will allow me to easily install that quickly. Again, there are washers on both sides. And let's do the bottom bolts. Now my car is very dirty, I know. As the weather gets warmer, I will be washing it. And I will take this off, so it'll be a good opportunity to figure out how easy it is to take this off. Only bad thing is using an open end wrench, I won't be able to torque it. Kind of have to not over tighten it, but make sure it's tight now. Okay. Just the top one needs tightening, and that's about it. Good. No rattling, nothing. Very secure. Looks awesome, to be honest. It really opens up the front end. Anyways, this was the install. I decided to do it today because honestly in the quarantine there's not much else to do. So just wanted to do some car content. And yeah, this was very easy to install. There's still bumper holes here. As you can see, the plastic is peeling off. This is what I was worried about, taking it on and off constantly. But yeah, so far it looks pretty good. Opens up this area nicely. I can finally see the condenser and everything properly. This time I'm on track doing track prep. I'll try to record the process of me taking it off. But so far, very happy with this. I'll make some closer shots of how this looks. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Again, this is the JBR, James Brown Racing license plate kit. I got it for like 60 bucks and it's perfect so far. No complaints. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Yeah, happy to help if you have any questions. See you in the next video.